What's up, guys? Another quick unboxing for you here. Today it's the We the People Helix Hub. Going to be unboxing the We the People Helix Freecoaster Hub. That's what we got here. Hub. 2 nylon guards and a snap ring to replace the one that's hidden in there if you ever lose it. So let's get right down to it. This is a hub that's been around from We the People for a couple years now. Sorry, it's a V2. It works on the traditional internals of a Freecoaster like we've seen for years, but it does have a newly added 8-point friction system on the inside, so that you have something really durable and reliable, but with a new twist. You know, according to We the People, it's probably the most durable and reliable Freecoaster of its kind. It is made out of 6061 T6 aluminum for the hub body. That also has 2 sealed bearings on either side, driver's side, non-driver's side. It's got a heat-treated 14 mil chromoly axle. That's also got a hollow bore, and one of my favorite things, I think you need this on every hub, is it's broached for 6 mil, left and right, or drive and non-drive side, so you can hold on to something and get your cone wrenches on there, you know, so it's just not a pain in the ass. You don't need a axle vise to kind of do maintenance on it, so that's great. It's got a 9-tooth driver that I will pop some stuff out and see if we can see it. It's pretty slick. So it's a one-piece 9-tooth driver. Take everything off and you've got, can't see it here, it doesn't want to come out, but on the inside you've got a needle bearing as opposed to 2 or 3 normal cartridge bearings, and that just slides in there into your needle bearing. Throw your hardware back on, and that's supposed to be a lot stronger, so hopefully you're not dealing in way more maintenance friendly. So if you blow out your bearings, it's not going to be like hammering out the old cartridge type, which are just a huge pain in the butt. As I mentioned before, it's got a drive side and non-drive side nylon replaceable hub guards, which just slot right onto the hardware. Super easy to work with, super reliable. It's available in left or right hand drive, so everybody can use it. This is the right hand one right here, and it weighs in at 693 grams or 24.45 ounces. It's also available in black or galactic purple. So check it out, guys. If you're in the market for a Freecoaster, this could be the one you want. We the People, baby. It's beautiful. Give it a try. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.